How to add custom font in CapCut. I will show you how to do it step by step. Let's get started. Open your CapCut application. Select new project. Choose your desired video. Tap on add. Now you can see your video on the timeline. To add the custom font, tap onto the text option. Tap into add text. From the font section, you can choose various of fonts provided by CapCut. To add the custom font, swipe to your right and choose My Font. Then you have to tap on Add. Select My Font. You should have pre-downloaded the font, but for me I have not downloaded yet. Then you have to tap on Select the font and the font you have selected will be seen on the screen. Then you have to tap onto the check mark. And that's how you add custom font in CapCut. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.